What's up guys, Direct here. Today we're got a different type of video. Today we're doing a more informational, but as you guys know, past videos, these spikes had a bit of a problem with the carbie, so I went on eBay and yes, I bought a new carbie. I'm going to show you step by step how to take this carbie off and put a new one on. So it should be pretty simple and straightforward, but I'm going to walk you guys through it. Basically what you're going to need is you're going to need an 8mm wrench, screwdriver, and that's basically it. All you need to do is there's two bolts connected from the carbie to the manifold, which is here, and there's also a little what's it called, a little bracket here with a screwdriver. Just take that off and you should be able to take out the carbie, as well as taking the throttle cable off with the cap on the top of the carb. So yeah, let's get straight into this. So let's do it. Alright guys, so there's two 8mm bolts you have to get off, which is here, and here. So I'll just start taking these off. And just one thing to note is you should turn your fuel off, because we have to pop the fuel line. We can take that off as well, and I'll get you back to you guys when I take these two bolts off. Alright guys, so once you've taken out those two bolts, just put these two down. They're both the same, but your fuel line should be able to just be pulled off. Pretty simple, like that. Some fuel might come out, but make sure you turn it to the off position. I mean, you can really plug it up if you want, but you don't have to. Yeah, but there should be a little screw here holding on this little like a band almost to hold the air filter on, but should loosen that. And note, there's to get the cap off for the where the throttle is, it's just one little screw here, and you just turn it anti-clockwise and should loosen, and it should come out like that. That's how you know it's out, and just pull it out. Pretty simple. So once that's out, sorry, and this is loosened, you should be able to take your carbie off. Okay, so it's loosened. There we go. So there should be a gasket that sits in between the carb and the manifold. Make sure you keep this, do not lose this. But yeah, there's this little hose connected to the carbie, that's for the overflow. So just pull that off, doesn't matter. Okay, now we've got our carbie off. I'll show you guys what we have to do to put the new carbie on. Alright guys, just to show you how this carbie, how bad it was. We had leaks with the O-ring. It was actually broken, and that probably contributed to why it was running a bit iffy, as well as I opened the bulb and it's very gunked up. So yeah, let's get in the new carbie now. Alright, I ordered this carbie off eBay. It came in a couple of days, but they're basically, oh shit, there's still a few in it, but they're basically the exact same. This is just Mikuni. Sorry, not Mikuni. They're both Japanese parts, but this is just an aftermarket one, but basically the exact same layout and style. So yeah, let's go whack this on now. So firstly, what we're going to want to do is we're going to have to disconnect our throttle assembly. So this is on the end of the throttle cable. This is actually called the slide, so we're just going to take that off. Okay, so we've got our our original slide off. So we're going to open up the cap for a new carbie. And make sure there's a little spring and stuff in there. Don't want to lose that. Okay, so once we get our cap over, we want to get this O-ring. It sits in there. Then it's our spring, and this is the hard bit. Here's now we're going to compress the spring, and there should be a little seat in here. There we go, and there we go. That's how it seats. I have the slide in and the carbie. It's really easy. And now if we pull the throttle, next thing we want to do is we want to put this carbie, mount it back onto the frame. To the manifold. Okay, basically to get the carbie back on, it's basically the reverse of what we pulled off. So make sure our our gasket, the O-ring, is facing towards the manifold. So it should seat like that, and our carbie should basically, it's a bit of a fiddly process to put in, but basically easiest way to get is put first bit into the air filter, and once it's into the air filter, slide the gasket in between and then the bolts. Okay, so both bolts are in. I'm just going to tighten them with the socket to take a bit easier. Okay, so basically once we have our bolts basically tightened again, the next mission is to put the cap on with the slide. So basically this needs to slide into this hole there, if you guys can see that. Basically there's two notches you have to find. There's a small notch, and so this is a big notch, and then there's a small notch. This usually goes to the side of the choke, and the other one goes to the side of the non-choke side, so where the lever is. There we go. Slide is in. Okay, so perfect. Now it's just we got to put the new fuel line and the fuel line back onto the same nipple. It's basically, it's the right nipple because it comes with a little cap on it. So just connect the fuel line again to there. It's on. Basically, you guys are done. We've finished installing a carbie. If you've done exactly what I've done, you've successfully put a new carbie on. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. Peace.